Digital marketing, definition, how it works and 2 steps to success in becoming a digital marketer for beginners. Before we discuss how to become a digital marketer, we need to know what digital marketing is and how it works. Digital marketing is a process of promoting products or services online using electronic devices connected to the internet such as cellular phones, desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and others. Digital marketing methods most popular. The following are popular digital marketing methods that marketers often use, namely. The first is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a collaboration between social media influencers or industry experts and product or service owners to promote your products or services. In their collaboration, social media influencers will engage their audience with posts on social media, blogs, or videos to increase knowledge about your product or service, which we call brand awareness. Another goal of collaborating with media influencers is to get client prospects. The target audience becomes important in this digital marketing aspect of affiliate marketing. From collaboration, influencers receive compensation. Second is content marketing. Content marketing uses stories and sharing information to increase knowledge of your product or service, brand awareness. The goal of content marketing is for the audience to become potential customers, such as searching for information on the internet, asking for more information or making a purchase. Content can refer to podcasts, blog posts, digital videos, and more. Third is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a practice that increases recognition of your products and services to help increase knowledge of your products and services, product awareness, through social media. Various forms for social media marketing such as video posts, text posts, trending posts, testimonials, stories, reels, memes, and others. Another social media marketing is paid social media advertising or paying for ads when visitors click on ads, which we call pay-per-click or PPC. Fourth is search engine optimization or SEO. The goal of search engine optimization is to make your product or service information rank higher on the Google search engine results page or SERP, so that information about your product or service appears on the first page of search results, with keywords related to your product or service. With information about your product or service appearing on the home page, it will increase visitor traffic to your business website. Fifth is email marketing. Email marketing or marketing via email has optimal audience reach because the open rate or percentage of email recipients who open the email compared to the number of email recipients who open the email and click on the advertising link in the email is very promising. Sixth is mobile marketing. This type of digital marketing is focused on reaching target audiences via their smartphones or tablets. Mobile marketing reaches people through text messages, social media, websites, emails, and mobile apps. If you have ever used a website search engine, such as Google, Bing, and others, or socialized online using social media such as Facebook, Instagram, X, and other social media or other activities on the internet, then you will find lots of product or service promotions. That is part of digital marketing. The goals of digital marketing are: 1. Building a product or service reputation. In the digital era, having representation in the digital world is very important. Digital marketing can help build an audience and create a sense of trust in them. 2. Capturing prospects. The biggest goal of every digital marketing campaign is to attract new prospective clients who will eventually become customers or clients. 3. Helping business sustainability. Digital marketing comes with various innovations in attracting potential clients. This can help product or service owners win business competition. 4. Provides better data analysis. Digital marketers can help provide and analyze traffic information to create better marketing strategies. The information and analytical data obtained are used to increase insight into clients or potential clients so that they can create promotions according to their purchasing patterns. Digital marketer roles and responsibilities. Job responsibilities for digital marketer will vary depending on experience and specialization. For example, an SEO specialist will understand all aspects of SEO, including the knowledge to drive organic traffic, identify and evaluate high-quality content and create competitor analysis. On the other hand, a social media manager will design a social media strategy that is in line with the identity of products and services, determine the communication style and content strategy, create and adapt content for each social media network, and stay up to date with developments. Know the latest digital marketing trends. How to start a career in digital marketing. To start becoming a successful digital marketer, you need 2 steps for yourself, namely, first, learn digital marketing theory. To get digital marketing theory, you can search for digital marketing learning materials on the internet. You can do this by using search words, learning digital marketing for free or free digital marketing tutorials, or other search words related to learning digital marketing. Second, experience running digital marketing. To gain experience running digital marketing, you can do the following activities. Become a digital marketer volunteer at a nonprofit organization. Internship at a company that requires digital marketers. Create a blog that offers your insights and opinions about digital marketing. Sign up for online courses and digital marketing certifications to make your CV more attractive. This is it, the understanding, how it works in 2 steps to successfully become a digital marketer for beginners. If you have feedback, questions, suggestions, please comment below. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want other digital marketing information, please subscribe. If you feel the video is useful for other people, please share it. Greetings marketers.